Oceans. They seem to go infinitely. Long ago, people thought it really was not infinite. That if you traveled to the end of the world, there will be a link that was separated and you'll fall into dimensions beyond. Ba da 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 ba 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 da 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 blue 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 dark ocean do 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 ocean. Hi guys, and welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today we will talk about island, no ocean, no island, no ocean, no island, or no ocean, no island, no ocean. Whatever, whatever. We already made an island video. Check that out if you haven't already. But today we will be talking about ocean. So let's get started. What are oceans? Well, oceans are basically bodies of the water. Most of our Earth is covered in 2/3 of water. And that is strange. It's strange why our Earth is called Earth and when it's literally named after dead when most of it is actually covered in water. Huh. Strange. But then there are some types of reasons where there are these bodies of water. Usually there are loads of ways where we actually can't find the water itself. That sometimes people thought that it was infinite, that there was no end to the world, and that you can just continuously go around and around and around and around and around and around forever. And yes, that was true. Except for the water part. All these lands seem to be out of this world. Long ago, people thought that the whole world was flat, like a coin. That if you just travel all the way too far to the edge of the world, you'll fall with a river, with a waterfall. And no one knows where you'll go. Probably you'll fall infinitely. Ooh. 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 And yes, I mean literally infinitely. Literally infinitely. Literally infinitely. Literally infinitely. Yes, okay, that's enough. But then, let's think of another question. Why is the ocean so salty? Well, here is the reason. It actually starts with rainwater. When rain falls, it gets mixed with a bit of carbon dioxide. It gets mixed with a little carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Wait a minute. Little carbon dioxide. Let's use purple for this one. And it mixes, making it slightly acidic. And so, it may not harm us, but when it touches rocks, it breaks them. It breaks the rocks into smaller and smaller pieces. And these small pieces eventually go out into the ocean. And then boom, buddy, boom, inside, they start making electrified ions. And the main ions are, let me erode all this water. If you just, there is a possibility of eroding water, that is. The best way to do that is that inside there is sodium and chloride. Sodium and chloride. and then they bond it together, and then they bond together into creating a similarity of stuff, simple stuff. In this simple stuff, and sodium chloride start to mix together, and this creates salts. And this creates salts. And these salts are really important, and that's why the sea is salty. But there's also another way though. When partially salted sea goes out into the volcanoes, the fresh water starts getting heated up by the underwater volcanoes. Then it loses oxygen, sulfur, and other minerals, and it gains iron, nickel, and cobalt. And these are magnetic. When these go inside, they get shooted out of the lava, out of the volcano, and which tends to create the ocean salty. So that's why the sea is so salty. So that concludes our video. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit either of these two videos so that you will be watching them, and click the bell button so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And please do all these things, because these are really important to me and really means to me something. And yeah, I guess so. So we're all in this episode. I'll see you. Shinhan out. Peace.